You've heard the mantra, new year, new you. Watch as we head to Rejuvenated Medical Spa right here in Fayetteville to talk to Dr. Nick Gentry and his team on services offered to help you achieve optimal wellness. This segment is sponsored by Rejuvenated Medical Spa.
We're here at Rejuvenated Medical Spa in Fayetteville. We're going to go meet with Dr. Gentry and the team and find out why this is your one-stop shop for all things health-related.
Come inside with us.
In short, if it makes you look better, feel better, or live longer, we probably do it. But we do anything from functional medicine, aesthetic medicine, and regenerative medicine. So we do weight loss, hormone optimization, the typical aesthetic stuff like fillers and Botox and laser treatments, but we also do regenerative medicine looking at platelet-rich plasma, stem cells, things like that. I think like any physician who has gone through their own issues as far as achieving optimal wellness, that makes you more passionate about it, and helping people is really, really rewarding. And the vast majority of my patients, which range from professional athletes to I've been sedentary for my entire life, they're not feeling as well as they could, and a lot of times traditional medicine maybe doesn't help them as much as we can. I think one error that a lot of people are making when it comes to weight loss is, here's your Wegovy or here's your Mounjaro or whatever the case is, and the people lose weight. But the problem is that if you're not addressing the underlying issues, they're gonna gain the weight right back. And so the idea is not to be on these medications forever. The idea is we take the patients in, and we do use these medications to be a good tool to help people lose weight, but we're looking at your entire lifestyle and health in a more holistic lens. How well do you sleep? Are you exercising? Are you exercising the right ways for you? We look at nutrition, we look at stress and toxin levels, we look at hormone optimization, and so by addressing all of those root causes, we're able to give our patients the best prescription for success. So experience is a big one for us. My partner Gloria Vasquez and I, when we first formed this, we decided we want an extraordinary experience for everyone. And so that is our number one goal, is to just provide that top level experience. So they come in once and they get blood drawn before I ever see them. On their second visit, they fill out a symptom survey, and I'm looking at all their lab results. And that visit is about 45 to 60 minutes. And like I said, we talk about sleep, hormones, energy, mood changes, menstrual cycles for women, and skin changes, all sorts of things, because we're looking at more of a functional medicine lens. And then if they need those medications, if they need hormone replacement, if they need nutritional supplements, if they need a weight loss medication, it's all customized beyond that. The easiest way is to just call 479-335-5777, and you can set up an appointment. And we also have a men's clinic, and it's 479-305-8206. The men's clinic, we do most of what we do at Rejuvenated, but it's solely for a male clientele. And a couple of the things that we do a lot of there are testosterone replacement therapy and also sexual function for men. And so we found that some of our male patients are more comfortable speaking with me about that, not in a spa type environment and not surrounded by ladies that are typically in our waiting rooms. So I mentioned that sustainability and long-term optimal wellness are goals of our patients and goals of us. So I want to introduce you to one of our success stories. Dana is actually my medical assistant and a patient, and so we're going to learn a little bit about her story.
So in March of 2021, my husband and I decided to go on a hike, and it was hard. At that point, I knew I needed to do something different. Came to see Dr. Gentry and discussed a plan, getting my hormones correct and getting my diet in order, nutrition, exercise, and everything that goes along with it. And for all my life, I've always been a heavy girl, and all throughout high school, since I was in junior high, I've always been very, very large. And at that point, I was about 265 pounds. Really started getting into the gym, including weightlifting, and fixed my diet up. And over time, I lost 115 pounds. And for the past year, I've kept about 110 of it off so far.
So she's a great example that, I don't love the term diet as far as I'm gonna go on a diet. She changed her diet. She took out the junk food, started eating real food, eating higher protein, more vegetables. Of course, exercise is a part of it. Dana's a great weightlifter and she's very enthusiastic and passionate about it. You don't have to kill yourself at the gym every single day to be successful. It's really more about consistency. And so she consistently eats well. She still has her treats when she wants them, but she consistently eats well, she consistently exercises, and that's what wins the game in the long-term sustainability.
It was great visiting with Dr. Gentry and hearing about Dana's transformation. It seems like here at Rejuvenated Med Spa, you really do get that personal one-on-one consultation with not only Dr. Gentry, but his full team.
Yes, it was wonderful to visit with Dr. Gentry and the team.